There you see the PCV pipe. This is the soldering iron I'm using. I have to let it warm up a little bit. Get one of these rods here. .40-watt soldering iron that I'm going to use. They do sell a kit, which I would love to have. But I have this, and this should work fairly adequate. There's several different rods here. There's 3 different varieties for different types of plastic, which they show you on this. You can't really see it right there. You got white rods are for ABS. The gray rods are for PVC. And then the this is from a different angle because I'm working on the far side here. I had to get something to sit on because this concrete just so you guys know, I did a little bit of